Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and I have here with me the zPix 300 Digital Microscope. Now this works for both the PC and Mac operating systems, but before we go into details, let's check out what the zPix actually does. For those who are new to microscopic research, the zPix is a digital microscope that gives even beginners the ability to see anything they want at a ridiculously high power. But instead of looking through an eyepiece, you get to sit back and use your computer screen as a monitor. If you spot something interesting, snap a picture, or even record a video. Plug your zPix into the USB slot on your computer and head to carson.com/zPix-940 to download the proper zPix driver. That's all there is to it. Included with the zPix is an attachable specimen base that holds the microscope for you and allows you to check out microscope slides. To get you started, we've included 3 blank slides and a sample slide for anyone who needs to get more familiar with using a focusable microscope. There's also a pair of forceps and a dropper to prepare your own slides. On a 21-inch monitor, your magnification range is between 86 power and 457 power. What I like to do is start out at the lowest power and then gradually zoom up to my specimen. To zoom in, slowly rotate the bottom ring. The magnification of the device is relative to the size of your computer monitor, so the magnification is higher on larger monitors. After you're all focused, press the top button and a picture will automatically be stored onto your computer. The zPix works great with the included base, but if you really want to get creative, you should use it in handheld mode. It's awesome. You can basically place it over anything. Now you can see details that your naked eye just can't see. The 2 megapixel sensor inside is a big reason why the picture is so good. The overall image quality is pretty nice. I put the device up to my computer monitor and can actually see each individual pixel. There are 4 super bright LEDs, so you can see shadow-free images in any lighting condition. And it also helps out big time when looking at 3-dimensional objects such as jewelry or coins. So I'm really impressed with the zPix 300. It's educational, entertaining, and the best part, anyone can use it. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.